Insight, 216 Alpha Foxtrot.
Turkey 5 Charlie Alpha, number 2, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 28 left, clear to land, 5 Charlie Alpha.
Turkey 5-4 Charlie, turn left at Golf 1, then contact ground.
Turn left at Golf, contact ground, 5-4 Charlie. Montgomery Tower, Archer 131, Charlie Alpha, holding
4 miles southwestbound. They might be descending into Carlsbad, 6,600 indicated, showing 200 knots.
Looking for the traffic, 28 5 Papa. SoCal, Wisconsin, number 1, enter 369er, student pilot solo, 5,500 level.
Cessna 19er 369er, SoCal approach, the altimeter 3001. Advise when you have Juliet at Ramona.
3001, I will advise when I have Juliet at Ramona, 369er.
SoCal approach, Cessna 216 Alpha Foxtrot, Torrey Pines Golf Course, 3,500, request.
216 Alpha Foxtrot, SoCal approach. Say request.
216 Alpha Foxtrot, request VFR flight following to Emmett Ryan.
Or 57 Papa, traffic 10 o'clock, 2 miles southwestbound, 5,100 indicated.
Looking for traffic, 28 5 Papa.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, the altimeter 3001, squawk 4716.
Squawk 4716, 216 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cherokee 57 Pop, driving out factory, your radar contact, and maintain at or above 3,500.
Below 3,000, and we have the traffic inside right now, so we have no problem.
That's it, Pop, at or above 3,500, connect approach 132.2, good day.
SoCal approach, Skyhawk, 5291 Echo, with you again. I'm not getting any response from 340, is that the right frequency? 91 Echo.
Cherokee 57 Papa, frequency is 132.2 and 3,500.
3,500, frequency 132.2, 2855, thank you.
Cessna 901 Echo, try him one more time, 134.0.
340, 1 Echo, on. SoCal Mini 1165, Whiskey, smooth ride, 4,500.
Tony 1165, Whiskey SoCal, approach the Miramar altimeter 3001.
3001.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, radar contact, mile south of the Del Mar racetrack. Do you want to climb at 5,500?
216 Alpha Foxtrot, affirmative, I'll go up to 5,500.
Good afternoon, SoCal. RB 752 Whiskey, 5,500.
RB 752 Whiskey SoCal, approach, Kilo Kerna Brownfield, weather portion, wind variable at 3. Visibility 10, clear below 12,000, altimeter 3002, runway